All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I do feel bad about what I'm about to do because I'm gonna cold start this Cloud car at like 11 o'clock at night, and it's dead quiet where I'm at right now. So I know for a fact my neighbors are gonna hear everything. It's a miracle I haven't gotten any complaints yet. Don't ask why I'm turning this car at 11 o'clock. But yeah, let's go ahead and get a cold start. Start your day, whatever time it may be, man. First things first, I do need to go get gas. I actually do hope that this pump is working, because last video I uploaded, I edited it off saying I did not get gas, and I still haven't gotten gas, and it's been like over a day, actually 2 days now. So I need to go get gas because I am just under a quarter tank, and I don't like to run this car under a quarter tank for very long because it does have a single fuel pump. Ooh, you guys probably couldn't see anything that I just saw, but that was a nice S550. This car has a single fuel pump, and typically with the return style fuel system with these pumps, or I should say the single, big pump, you don't really want to run these things low on gas. So I need to go ahead and get gas. It technically is boost weather now, man. It's cool. Not cold, but cool. Good boost weather. Honestly, the best weather for the car, honestly. Like 60 degrees is where it's at. And then like 40 degrees if you're trying to go ahead and get some like, free nitrous in the air with the DA. But 60 is where it's at, man. 60 I feel like is like perfect because the car runs cool and your tires still work. Once you start getting into the 50s and the 40s, if you're running like a radial, things start to get sketched. I know those Mickey Thompsons completely stopped working at like 40 miles an hour, so from personal experience. So we'll see how good these Toyota TQs are, man, at like 40. It's supposed to get down to 40 in a couple of nights, honestly, like next week, but as of right now, I'm enjoying this like 60-degree cool weather at night, even though I don't really even take the car out at night that much anymore. I just don't have time. I have time today because I got done with everything I need to get done in a timely manner. Yeah, I need to go ahead and fill this thing up, man. Sheesh! Alright, we're pulling up to the gas station right now, and guy's fucking tailgating me, man. Relax. Oh, he's actually pulling up in here as well. Okay. You can hear my clutch rattle. Okay, looks like the pumps are working. Thank God. Because if they weren't working, I'd be fucked, literally. Woo! Yep. The car started to sound like it was running out of fuel, because it definitely was. Let me go ahead and get gas real quick. We just got some gas, and this thing needed it, man. There we go, baby. Woo, yeah, she needed gas. slowed down as soon as I heard this fucking jet plane coming down this road. Alright, so the weather's actually not bad. The DA ain't bad. I might actually try to go ahead and get another draggy full weight, see what it is. If there's no traffic, I'll do it. If not, fuck it. Ain't gonna trip. You guys can hear this clutch, bro. This thing is... This shit is bad. This shit is so bad, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this clutch is terrible. It does not sound good at all. Alright. We'll do a little pull right here. Again, guys, this car makes no sense. After I go beating on it, literally, now the clutch isn't rattling. It's like this car, maybe it just wants me to beat the shit out of it. Maybe that's what needs to be happening with this car. I don't know, because like this not making sense, man, because it rattles like crazy if I'm just like regularly driving it, but then after going ahead and beating on it, you know, putting some miles, it stops. I don't know. This car, it's weird, bro. This car is taking like a serious beating. Literally, bro. Like, I am abusing the hell out of this car, bro. Little daily driven race car. I hope you guys can hear me too, and see. Man, there's a lot of cops over there, bro. Oh, what the hell's going on? Man, dude, I was like, bro, there's no way somebody was pulling up on me like that. On this side of town, that's nuts. Like, you'd be suicidal to do a roll on this side of town. I'm gonna pull up to this gas station right now. Want to pull over, check the car out, and I also kind of want to get a midnight snack. Woo! Here comes this clutch. Might have been on the right side of the pump, but fuck it. Who cares? Build the 5.4 tube out, man. This thing, look, good shit car. Alright, so it's the next day. Let's see what milkshake this car made for me overnight, if anything, because last time I checked it, it actually looked pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Like, there is like nothing in there, so let's see what's underneath here. It's a little dark in my garage, but I am not opening up the door because it ain't warm no more. It is now officially boost weather. Oh, it's actually real dark in here. All right. It's actually not as much as I thought it would be. Let me get my phone real quick so I can shine some light down here. It's really not that bad, honestly. Looks like condensation. It really looks like condensation down there. What y'all think? Because it ain't smoking. I have been beating the mess out this car. Literally, the mess out this car. There's some coolant
Well, that's actually always where it leaks, but I have been beating the mess out this car, so let me know what y'all think.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just had to go ahead and open up the garage, get some light in here. It's actually not that bad outside, but gonna keep full set in the car. Honestly, it's looking like it might be like an intake manifold gasket leak. I don't know, because I'm beating the hell out this car still. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna keep it parked up and just, you know, sit here and just, you know, not do anything. There's really no point to do that at all. If I was the one that actually built the motor, I probably would be dealing with this a different way, but you know, I don't really see a reason to just sit here and not do anything. So hope you guys enjoy the content. If you guys do, make sure you drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.